And now we're at our final destination, that's Mackenzie's Yorkshire Smokehouse. Let's go and get our final ingredients. Oh, by the way, remember, mask. Let's go. Right guys, time to leave now and let's go and see what we're gonna make today. So here's all our ingredients. Now, before we start, let's get a bowl and put our glass noodle in, where we're gonna pour in some hot water as well. This is gonna cook the glass noodle, so all you're gonna do is just leave it aside for 10 minutes. Now, let's get our little gem lettuce out and then just slice it up, chop it up, and that's it. Simple as that. Then we might want to fluff it a little. Then next, let's bring in our British radish. This is gonna give it a color as well as the peppery taste. How beautiful are these? Then it's mango time. Where's my mango master? So I learned this technique from a mango master. So you just kind of slice it into half and then just sort of like portion it out, and it gives you a nice flower-like looking. Next, let's get a red onion and then just slice it up as well. Now I'm only using half a red onion. After that, we're gonna get some coriander and we're gonna roughly chop it up as well. Now, I love coriander in my salad. Every salad that I have must have coriander, regardless of what it is. Then, right after coriander, just flip your chopping board over and then we're gonna slice the Mackenzie's smoked chicken fillet. It's so good, guys. It smells so wonderful. Now, getting a plate or serving plate, you're just gonna place all your salad ingredients on it. So starting with a little jam and then followed by some red onions, then the radish. I'm gonna add the mangoes as well. So if you've got too big of a chunk, just use your fingers and break them up into smaller pieces. Next, oh, I almost forgot. Make sure you drain away the water from your glass noodle and add 2 tablespoons of Mak Tok sweet chili paste. Add a pinch of salt. If you don't want salt, you can add fish sauce or even soy sauce. Now, we're gonna pour in our glass noodle onto our salad. Yum yum, I'm so hungry now. And then I'm gonna add in the coriander and some peanuts. I'm using salted peanuts, by the way. Next, we'll add in the smoked chicken fillet. Yum! Now before we end, we're just gonna add in a bit more mango at the side as well as a wedge of lime. Awesome, right? Wow! Now guys, our smoked chicken Asian noodle salad is ready and I'm so excited to tuck it. Like every time when I make this salad, my mouth never stops watering, only because it's so zesty and it smells so fruity in my kitchen. Now the first thing before we tuck in, we gotta squeeze the lime in. Okay, and now with my chopsticks, you can feel free to use fork. If you got a chopsticks, perfect. And we're gonna start mixing them. Right guys, time to tuck in. This is delicious. Oh my gosh, guys. This is like a garden full of flavors. It just transports you back to Southeast Asia, definitely. If you know anyone who says salad is boring, well, you need to show them this salad because it's gonna change their life, seriously. Now, if you got any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!